Haku News.
Hey there, English explorers! Ready to dive into today's news in English? Let's go! Astronaut Takuya Onishi becomes third Japanese ISS commander. Astronaut Takuya Onishi became ISS commander. This happened on April 18th, Japan time. He is the third Japanese astronaut commander. The commander leads the crew on the station. They manage activities and ensure safety. A ceremony was held on the ISS. The previous Russian commander handed over a key. Mr. Onishi spoke at the ceremony. He said this role shows Japan's contribution. Japan contributed with Kibo Lab and Konatori vehicle. He promised to do his best. He will command for about 5 months. This highlights Japan's role in space exploration. All Adventure World pandas to return to China in June. Adventure World will return its pandas to China. All 4 pandas will go back around late June. The pandas are Raohin, Yuihin, Saihin, and Fuhin. The Japan-China loan agreement ends in August. Raohin is now 24 years old. Experts suggested she return for better elderly care. The younger pandas need partners for breeding. This is best done in China. Returning them in June avoids summer heat stress. Only 2 pandas will remain in Japan, Ueno Zoo. Adventure World hopes for future panda projects. World's first 3D printed train station completed. The world's first 3D printed station is complete. It is at JR Hatsushima Station in Wakayama. 4 large parts were printed at a factory. This took 7 days. The parts were assembled on site overnight. Assembly using a crane took about 2 hours. The total work time was about 6 hours. The station is small, about 10 square meters. It is made of special concrete material. The walls have local designs, oranges, fish. It replaces an old wooden station. It will open for use around July 2025. This project tested faster, cheaper construction methods. That's all for today. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep being awesome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week.